Hello guys, welcome to Code Heaven. So I'm going to start a new tutorial series um, about raising funds similar to GoFundMe. It won't be exactly like GoFundMe, but it will be pretty much similar to GoFundMe. So I won't be making any fancy like designs like what GoFundMe has, but it will be pretty much similar to GoFundMe. But before I start this tutorial, I want a suggestion from you guys on which language should I build this new project from. Choose between C Sharp and Node.js. So just comment below if you want C Sharp or Node.js. The if I the vote from the most comments in the language will I'll make the video on that language. So if I see too many comments on C sharp, then I'll make video on C sharp. But if I find too many comments on Node.js, then I'll make video on Node.js. Okay, guys. So also don't forget to subscribe because from now on I'll only share the code with the people who have subscribed this channel. So I've been seeing that many people are watching my video without subscribing. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe and also comment your email below so that I can send you the code repository. And see you on the next video.